Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, November 14th, 2025. And this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every trade our algorithm executed today. Market news. It was a relatively quiet Friday on the economic calendar. 9:20 a.m. FOMC member Bostic spoke. 10:05 a.m. Fed Schmid took the stage. 2:30 p.m. Fed's Logan wrapped up the day's Fed speak. And there were no major tech earnings after hours. Overnight session. Right at 6 p.m. when futures opened, Nasdaq jumped, bouncing back from yesterday's sharp sell-off. Our robot immediately entered a long position, and by 6:30 p.m., unrealized profit hit $110. But once the Asian markets opened, momentum shifted, market dipped, and our robot flipped into a short position, wiping out those unrealized gains. The Asian session turned volatile. A quick drop, a sharp climb, then another dip. Our robot executed several swing trades. But by midnight, we were sitting at a net realized loss of $248. Morning session. The cash market lead-in was weak. Nasdaq continued sliding, so our robot re-entered a short position. As Nasdaq hit the morning low at 24,626, that short finally turned profitable. At 8:30 a.m., volatility spiked again. Our robot took a series of winning trades, recovering most of the overnight losses. Then, at 9:30 a.m., the U.S. market opened with a dip. Our long position was stopped out, bringing realized losses to $187. A few minutes later, buyers stepped back in. The market bounced. Our robot caught a long trade and closed it for a small profit. Meanwhile, big win on the stock side. Our AMD trade crushed it, booking $1,176 realized profit and $247 unrealized gain. At 11 a.m., the robot nailed a clean short, wiping out all earlier losses and bringing us to $174 realized profit. At 11:30 a.m., another short got stopped out in profit, adding over $200 more. Realized gain from Nasdaq E-micro futures climbed to $201. Afternoon session. The afternoon was classic Friday mode. Quiet, slow, and low energy as traders wrapped up for the week. Nasdaq hovered around 25,100, barely moving. Our robot wrapped the day with $223 profit from Nasdaq E-micro futures, $894 profit from AMD, for a total profit of $1,117 on a slow Friday. Not bad at all. After hours, no major tech earnings on deck, and that officially closed out a calm Friday and a very active week. Summary. A quiet Friday, a steady recovery from Thursday's sell-off, and a very productive day for the bot. $223 realized profit from Nasdaq E-micro futures, $894 profit from AMD, total $1,117. And that caps off an excellent week. 5 straight winning days, 0 losing days, and $3,624 total profit for the week. Thank you all for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Monday for your next NASDAQ Futures Recap.